Good morning. Really quickly, a little life hack. So I'm sitting here, this is my student work. My very talented second graders at Katz Hillel made some work. And among other things, they made these little dreidels. And I really had to glaze them on all sides for them to look nice. Now, usually the way we fire things like this is on stilts, right? These are stilts. They're basically really high fire wire that will not bend at really high temperatures. So ordinarily we would place the piece directly on the wire, and then because the attachment points are so tiny, we would just snap it off once it's fired. Now this is porcelain's a little trickier because porcelain gets soft like butter and it can actually melt right into your stilts. But this is stoneware, so this is how I would fire this. However, if you will see, my dreidels are just too small for my stilts, and there is no way for me to get them to stay on these wires. They sell smaller stilts, but I don't have them, so what do? Well, this is a little trick that I have found. You can use two stilts, and now you're going to use these three to rest your piece on, just like this. Hang on, I have to balance it. There we go. See that? And then you can just keep on adding and resting more pieces. Just like this. So even though your individual stilt is too big, you can make your own stilt with using two different ones. I hope this is helpful to somebody somewhere. You guys, this week I'm sculpting, so you're gonna have some new work pretty soon, hopefully. I'm hoping to make a few pieces today and tomorrow. And yeah, I'll be in touch with that. If you guys have any questions, shoot me some comments, and have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful holiday, everybody. Take care and have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye.